Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to show you something interesting related to Starlink. It's a suction cup mount for Starlink and it comes in this box. Let's open it up and check it together. There we go. Let's open up the box. This is how it looks like. So it can be installed in this way for the Starlink antenna. So when you have the Starlink antenna, basically the big surface box, you can use these suction cups behind it in order to stick it to something basically. And that's how it looks like. It's pretty strong when you connect it. It's really strong, I would say. It comes in these 4 legs, basically look like this, or better called cups. This is the cup. So when you connect it, basically you just put it on the surface, you drag this down, so this will remove it or pull it back. So it makes a kind of suction in here, so it will stick. Yeah, and you can mount the handles from that side. Looks like this. There we go. Remove it from this side. So there are like 2 sets of those. Basically they are stuck on each other, so basically you need to remove them from here, and this one from there as well, this as well, so then they can be released. There we go, and these 2 as well. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so you can connect it this way, and these 2, I believe they are the replacements basically. Yeah, looks like this. Pretty cool thing actually, a good idea as well. I believe this can be used for so many other things as well. So nevertheless, it's designed for the Starlink. And what I really like here is that there is a kind of clothes in here to ensure that your antenna doesn't get scratched. This is the back side, this is the front side. And they are supposed to be connected from this way. Basically you have the antenna here, so which sits in here, and you have these corners. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions related to this. This could be a little bit of more technical stuff. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have completely new videos on daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.